Hi, hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. This is Aruna, your maths teacher from Bhadasam Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. And today we are going to see 7th standard first chapter integers. So what is integer? Negative number along with whole number are called integers. In first exercise we have seen about integers and we are going to continue second exercise in integers. And we are going to see the multiplication of integers, how to multiply the integers, right. So, see what is this 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, how you will add this 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, what will be the answer? 2 plus 2 is 4, yes, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, the answer is yes, the answer is 8. So, it is easy to add this, right. The next example 3 plus 3 plus, see how many 3's they have given. Is it easy to add? So, this repeated addition we can make in the form of multiplication. How many times the 3 is given? First we want to count the number of 3's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 7 into the number which is given here is 3. So, 7 into 3. What is 7 3's are? 7 3's are? Yes. 7 3's are 21. See, multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition. Where we will use multiplication? So, multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Here for example, 4 into 5. 4 is nothing but number of times. So, 4 into 5. Number of times 5 need to be repeated. So, 4 times 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So, 4 5's are 20. If you add 5 4 times also you will get 20. So, multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. So, where we will use multiplication in our day-to-day life in the sense, when we are going to buy a pen, if you are going to buy a pen. So, the cost of one pen is rupees 7 and you are going to buy 5 pens now. What will be the cost of 5 pen? Yes, how many pens you are going to buy? 5 into the cost of one pen is 7. So, 5 into 7. What is 5 7's are? Yes, 5 7's are 35. So, the cost of 5 pen is rupees 35. So, we are using multiplication in our day-to-day life. So, what are all the rules of multiplication in integers? So, multiplication of integers. See, there are some rules. If there are two integers in positive, the answer will be positive. If both are negative, the answer will be positive. If both are in same signs, positive and positive, the answer is positive. That is plus into plus is plus. And both the integers are negative, minus into minus. Minus into minus also positive. Both are same sign, the answer will be positive. When both the integers are in different signs, one is positive and one is negative, that is plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is also minus. So, different integers with different signs gets negative answer. If both the integers are in the same sign, the answer will be positive. For example, see the examples, minus 5 into plus 6. Minus 5 is a negative integer, plus 6 is a positive integer. So, different sign, positive and negative, we have seen that it is the answer will be negative. So, here the answer is negative. 5 6 are, 5 6 are 30. So, what 30 is this? Negative minus 30, that is minus into plus is minus. See the next example, minus 10 into minus 5. So, minus 10 is a negative integer into minus 5 is also negative. Both are in the same sign, the answer will be what? Yes, the answer will be positive, that is minus into minus plus 10 5s are 50. So the answer is 50. The next example is positive integer with negative integer. So 7 into -3. So different signs, the answer will be negative. And the number 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21. So the answer is -21. The next example is both are positive. Both the integers are positive. Plus 8 into plus 2. So both are same sign, the answer will be positive. 8 2s are 16. So using these rules, we are going to do the given sums which is given in the exercise also. So the rules of integers for multiplication is for different sign in the sense positive and negative or negative into positive. Negative into positive, the answer will be negative. If it is same sign, both are negative or both are positive, the answer will be positive. So this is the rule which we are going to use in the integers of multiplication. Next we are going to see, if there are odd number of negative signs, then the product will be negative. See, odd number of negative signs, only 2 integers is given, negative and negative, the answer will be positive, that is minus into minus plus. But here odd number of negative sign, number of times odd number, what is odd number? Odd number is nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and etc. are odd numbers. Here we are going to use odd number of negative signs, then what will be the answer? See, odd number of negative signs in the sense, for example, -4 into -3 into -2 is equal to. See here, how many negative signs is given? 1, 2, 3. So 3 negative signs. So 3 is a odd number. So if there are odd number of negative signs, then the product will be negative. So here odd number of negative signs, so our answer will be negative. Now only the numbers we are going to multiply, like 4 into 3. 4 3s are, what 4 3s are? 4 3s are 12. Yes, 12 into 2. 12 2s are 24. So answer is -24. So we are going to apply the rule like this. Odd number of times the negative sign is given, the answer will be -24. When even number of times the negative sign is given, see, if there are even number of negative signs, then the product will be positive. See, even is, what is even number? Even is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 etc. So number of times we want to count the negative signs. For example, -3 into -2 into -1 into -4. See how many times the negative sign is given here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times. 4 is a even number. If the negative sign is given even number of times, the answer will be what? The answer will be positive. The answer will be positive. Now we can multiply the number 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 into 4. 6 4s are, what is 6 4s are? Yes, 6 4s are 24. So the answer is +24. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply together? For example, the first question is 8 negative integer. 8 negative integer into 1 positive integer. See, already we have seen even odd number of negative signs are there, the answer will be negative. Even number of negative signs are there, the answer will be positive. Here 8 negative signs, 8 is a even number, right? So even number of times the negative sign is there, the answer will be positive into one positive integer. Positive integer may be even number or odd number. The product will be positive. So one positive will give positive. So positive into positive, both are in the same sign. Positive into positive is positive. So the answer is positive. The product of 8 negative integer and 1 positive integer, the answer will be in positive. And one more example is, see, minus 1 when multiplied 15 times. So 15 is what number? Whether 15 is a even or odd number? 15 is a odd number. So when the negative sign repeats 15 times, our answer will be negative. And the number which we are going to write 1 as 15 times, that is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 n number of times also, the answer will be 1, because 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So minus 1 into 15 times, what will be the product is, 15 is an odd number, so our answer is negative, and 1 into 1 into 1 also will give 1. So answer is minus 1, which is negative. The answer will be negative. Minus 1 into 72 times. 72 times in the sense, we are not going to multiply minus 1 72 times. Directly we can write the answer like 72 is a even number. So when the negative sign repeats even number of times, the answer will be positive. And 1 also you are going to multiply 72 times. So n number of times if you multiply 1, you will get 1. So our answer is 1. So whether plus 1 is a positive or a negative integer, it is a positive integer. So our answer is in positive. Properties of multiplication of integers. In this we are going to see closure property, commutative property, associative property, and multiplicative identity, and one more is distributive property. We will see one by one the properties. The first we are going to see closure property. Closure property is nothing but we are going to take any two integer, let it be as a and b. So with respect to multiplication, so a into b is always an integer. For example, minus 3 let it be as a and minus 2 as b. Now we are going to multiply this 2, minus 3 into minus 2. Both are in the negative number, that is negative. Minus into minus, minus into minus, the answer will be plus. 3 2s are 6. So the answer is plus 6. Here minus 3 is an integer, negative integer, and minus 2 is also a negative integer, which gives the answer as plus 6, which is positive integer. So the product of any two number gives the integer, then it satisfies the closure property of multiplication. Therefore, integers are closed under multiplication. The next we are going to see commutative property. See, in commutative property also we are going to take two integers a and b. So here the condition is a into b want to satisfies the value of b into a. If both the values are equal, then commutative property satisfies for multiplication. Let me see with an example. A equal to minus 3 and b equal to minus 5. Substitute this a and b value in this. A into b equal to b into a. See, instead of a, 3 into b, the value of b is minus 5 equal to b minus 5 into a value is 3. So, 3 into minus 5. 3 is positive and minus 5 is negative. So, positive into negative, different signs, the answer will be negative. So, minus into plus into minus, minus, 3 5s are 15. And right hand side negative, minus 5 into plus 3. Here also positive and negative. So, our answer will be negative. And multiply this 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. So, the answer on left hand side is minus 15 and right hand side also minus 15. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. When both are equal, then it satisfies the condition, that is multiplication of integers is commutative. And next we are going to see associative property. See, in associative property, we are going to take any three integers. So, let it be as A, B and C. See, the condition is A into B into C equal to A into B into C. So, we will check this with an example of, for example, A equal to 2, B equal to -3 and C equal to 5. Now, substitute these values in this. So, instead of A, I am going to take 2 into B. The value of B is -3 into C. C is 5 equal to A into, that is 2 into B into C, -3 into 5. First, we want to solve this. The value inside the bracket on both the sides, left hand side as well as on right hand side. Now multiply this. 2 is a positive integer and 3 is a negative. Different signs, the answer will be negative. 2 3s are 6. So the answer is -6 into 5 equal to 2 into positive and negative, answer is negative. 3 5s are 15. And next we are going to multiply the next step, that is -6 into 5. -6 is negative and 5 is positive. Different signs, positive and negative, will give the answer is, yes, it is negative. And multiply the number 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. So the answer is -30. Coming to right hand side, here 2 is positive and 15 is negative. Plus into minus, plus into minus, minus. What is 2 15s are? 2 15s are 30. So -30 equal to -30, whereas LHS is equal to RHS. So the property satisfies for associative. Therefore multiplication of integers is associative. Thank you students. We hope you have enjoyed the session, and second exercise I have completed. With the help of the study material, practice the exercise sums which is given in the question bank, and you can write the test with the help of the self-assessment question paper and send to our WhatsApp number. Thank you students.
Hi, this is Nikita from 11th standard. I am studying in Bhartasana Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I can say Republic Day in 20 different languages. Let me start. Tamil, Kudiyarasu Dinam. Telugu, Ganatantra Dinam. Malayalam, Republic Dina Assumption. Hindi, Ganatantra Divas. Kannada, Prajarajyotsava. English, Republic Day. Urdu, Yumjuma Oriya. Punjabi, Ganatantra Divas. Gujarati, Ganatantra Divas. Marathi, Prajarajyotsava. Nepali, Ganatantra Divas. Malay, Hari Republic. Sinhala, Ganarajyotsava. Chinese, Gong Gauri. Dutch, Republic Day. Spanish, Jour de la République. French, Dia de la République. Japanese, Kyo Wang Hong Kong.